Hello, who are you?
Hi, I'm Bart, one of the co-founders of Aiir Innovationsin. We are an AI startup working in the aviation industry. So we are building intelligent software to automatically detect defects in jet engines. And one of the companies we work with is KLM, one of the largest airlines here in the Netherlands.
What do you think, what is actually meant when somebody is talking about artificial intelligence? What is that?
That's a really good question. I think most people that don't know what AI is, they really will start talking about the doom scenario of AI taking over all the jobs. In reality, AI right now is really algorithms that are really good at performing a single task. They are really specialized and really capable of doing really cool stuff, but unable to take over everything. So if you ask AI to put out the garbage, they will be like, I don't know how to do it. Purpose of AI. I think purpose is something that humans came up with, so I'm not sure whether AI actually has purpose in itself, but in practice AI should be used to really assist people. It should really help to make boring jobs easier or really reduce them. So self-driving cars is like the best example ever. Driving for a really long time is just really boring. So what do? We use AI to automate it. And that's exactly the same thing we do in our own company. We find really boring tasks, automate it, and then make sure that it's way easier to do.
There are a lot of terms like big data and deep learning and that kind of stuff. What they actually mean?
Yeah, big data is like a big buzzword that most people use when they don't know what you're talking about, if you ask me. In practice, it's basically we have a huge pile of data and we don't know what to do with it. But deep learning is actually more in depth. It's a technique for machine learning, so to learn machines, where you actually feed a lot of data to a network to ask it for some response. So it could be that you ask it for the location of something in an image, or that you ask it to predict the outcome of a certain scenario. No, we actually are the odd one out in most AI companies. We really focused on one product, and our main product is the inspection of the jet engines. And I think the cool part about it is it's a part that normal people never see. They don't think about what is going on in the jet engine when they're flying. They just think, oh hey, it's working and it's pretty safe. Well, we are actually using AI to make it safer and also save them a lot of money, the airlines, such that they can make the tickets cheaper for you. So that's actually a really cool thing, that we're basically changing something in something nobody sees, and we make it better. I strongly believe that in the future jobs will be more assisted by machines, so that, for example, a doctor will have way more time to spend time with his patient instead of doing research tasks, looking at X-rays or something else. So I think work will get more personal and it will be more fun, because all the boring, simple stuff we can automate. And in the future, you can just spend time on what you really love. So in our case, the mechanic can finally start doing the repairs. That's why he took the job, not to look at turbine blades for 24 hours. So right now, that is still his job. But if he can remove that from his job, it's perfect. So some people say that AI will take over all jobs. I really believe that jobs will just change and become easier and more fun for everybody.
What kind of education we need now, or in the near future?
Yeah, that's a really good question. No, I think one of the big markets, of course, is actually developing the AI. Right now, basically, there is more demand for AI than there is supply. So we actually turn down some projects because we don't have the capacity anymore. And we know that a lot of other companies, for example, here in the Netherlands, do the same thing. You can actually start selecting your projects because there's so much work available. And in the, only if something really big could change in the field, those jobs will disappear. But for now, there's always work and always cool projects to pick up.
Yeah, well, work never ends. Free word. Summarize your message about AI.
3 words.
3 words. You free, speak free.
Oh, 3? Oh, oh. No, it was like 3 words.
You can choose all. You can choose 3 also.
No, that would be a challenge because AI is ready. Yeah. I think my message would be AI is really about helping people to make their life a lot easier. Not about removing them from the picture, but really enhancing them, making them stronger and better at their jobs. And not removing them completely, and all the doom scenarios of people losing all their jobs and sitting at home all the time. But also has its advantages, of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.